3, 1, 4.
Good morning! Yesterday I did my workshop with some amazing photographers who drove in and flew in, which was insane, to take it, and it was just absolutely stunning. I had the best time. I feel like I'm just like riding on cloud nine. It's always lovely like working with people and meeting people and just like sharing art and nerding out together and just teaching them little things that I've picked up over the years. And just, yeah, it was a really good time. I, of course, forgot to take any footage because I was just so in the moment and so vibing and so just like happy to be there. So I didn't have any evidence really that we did it except for a really cute video of all of us dancing together. Twerking. Ha, ha, ha. But yeah, it was lovely. And today I'm getting ready to do my on boudoir shoot. I am shooting with an ethereal fire, Chris, who lives in LA, and I have been obsessed with his work for years. I'm so excited. He actually found me on YouTube, which is really funny. I've been loving meeting like fellow creatives in the industry who have like found my weird little YouTube channel and have reached out, and like we've just connected. I'm so stoked. His style is like very fine art, very Renaissance, very just like I'm so excited to be captured in his style. Our consultation was like so amazing. We chatted for like an hour and a half and just like really nerded out about art and art history and classical art and just all of that fun stuff, and dogs, of course. So that's gonna be great. I'm gonna take you guys with me behind the scenes. I try to do one like professional shoot a year where I like entrust another photographer to like just shoot me. Like I paid their price. I don't do like a trade shoot for shoot. So like you get like the full client experience like anybody else would. I think it's good as a photographer because like we deserve to be documented too as regular people. We give that gift to our clients and we deserve it as well. If you're watching this is your sign to book your own boudoir shoot.
If you can't love yourself, how in the hell you gonna love somebody else?
And it's also good for your client experience. I feel like it helps you understand and empathize with what your clients are going through way more. So you're able to guide them through like a better process via that experience. And mostly I'm just freaking stoked. It's going to be a great day. And I have to go get ready. I'm running late, so. All right, let's go do my makeup. Makeup done. Shoot ready. I'm not wearing lipstick, so I look very pale still.
Pumpkin King.
But we're gonna go do the damn thing. We're gonna make some art. It's gonna be great. I can't wait. Let's go. This is so wild. I've seen so many people shoot here on the internet. Didn't know it was here. Crazy. Stunning.